Did you know simply deleting files isn't enough? Uninstalling Office requires specific steps to prevent license errors and keep your data safe from counterfeit warnings. First, let's establish why this matters. Removing Office incorrectly can trigger genuine license warnings and leave behind hidden metadata. We must approach this systematically to avoid data loss. Method involves opening Control Panel or using the Uninstall Support tool. Navigate to File and Account to check your product information and About section before initiating the removal process. Crucially, you must also remove metadata from documents like Word or Excel. This strips author names and company details, ensuring your files are clean before you move them to a new machine. Another effective technique is running the original setup executable file. By opening the optical drive or disk image, you can access a hidden option within the installer to remove the installed suite. Be aware of security risks. If your license isn't genuine, you might be a victim of counterfeiting. Using official removal tools protects your files from interruption and ensures a clean slate for the next installation. In summary, successful removal combines control panel settings, metadata cleaning, and potentially the setup tool. Following these steps guarantees a complete uninstall without compromising your system or data integrity. Now you have the full picture on safely removing Office software. Have you ever encountered a counterfeit license warning? Share your experience in the comments below.